as well is going to be declaring its numbers over the weekend, and all eyes surely on this one, especially given the volatility that you saw in the stock on Monday and how swiftly that got bought into that low of 220, still hovering around the 250 mark. Of course, it's off from its previous year peak, or rather 52-week highs of 300 thereabouts. But Snehi, tell us what to anticipate from earnings.
Expecting a decent set of numbers from Zomato for Q3. Let's take a look at what the earnings fine print could be. Now, on a consolidated sequential basis, revenue was seen at 5,382 crores compared to roughly 4,800 crores last quarter, which is up 12% on a quarter-on-quarter basis. EBITDA is seen at 266 crores compared to 226 crore, an uptick of roughly 18% on a sequential basis. Net profit is expected to grow 31% quarter-on-quarter, coming in at 230 crores compared to 176 crores in Q2, and EBITDA margin is seen improving only nominally to 4.9% compared to 4.7% sequentially. Now, here are some key expectations. The food delivery GOV is expected to grow at 6% sequentially. For the same metric for quick commerce is expected to be strong, coming in at 15% on a sequential basis. Blinkit is likely to post a contribution margin of 3.7%. And the sequential adjusted EBITDA margin as percentage of the GOV improvement is expected in food delivery and Blinkit as well. Now, here are some key factors to watch out for the days the numbers come out. Market share will be important to watch out for, the market share status in the food delivery as well as quick commerce business. The sequential monthly transacting users and order volume growth in both the food delivery and quick commerce business will be key to watch out for. Delivery charges expansion, if any of the company is undertaking, that will be important to watch out for, along with commentary on any platform fee hikes, if at all. Near-term EBITDA trajectory will be important, and lastly, the net dark store addition for Blinkit and the outlook for the entire quick commerce biz amid the rising competition is going to be some key commentary to watch out for. But well, yes, overall we're expecting a very decent set of numbers from Zomato for Q3.
Decent set of numbers expected from Zomato, and the stock is also perked up in today's trading session just before the earnings. And talking about Tech Mahindra as well as Wipro, they are showing some bit of weakness, definitely, yes, taking cues from the Infosys numbers. But apart from that, Jonathan, help us with your take on Zomato. Given this recent correction, how are you looking at this particular play? Because till now, especially till the earnings that we have seen, there's a lot of excitement when Blinkit will start contributing into the earnings, and this time it's likely to post a contribution margin of 3.7%. Given the great opportunity that is lying ahead, but also the competition that is building up, what is your sense on Zomato, and do you like the stock at these levels?
Yeah, look, if I'm honest, it's not a stock that we've been looking at for some time. I think you make the point about competition. We struggle a little bit with the space, the lack of, a lot of these stocks have, the barriers to entry are fairly low. Clearly, branding is very important, but I think it's still, for us, the space is still a bit young. There's still too much competition that's coming in. And I think until we see the real emergence of winners, it's a space that we're stepping aside. We can find other, areas elsewhere which are a little bit more consolidated, and the winners are a little bit more obvious. So for the moment, we have no real views on Zomato or the broader internet space.